Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how to rename your wallet in Jupiter Crypto. In Jupiter Crypto, you can easily rename the name of your wallet. Launch open the Jupiter application and make sure that you are logged into one of your wallets. After you're inside the home page, tap on your little wallet drop down at the top left, and this will open up the wallet manager page. In order to rename a wallet, tap the three dots right next to the wallet and click on Rename Wallet button. Type down the name for your wallet and click on Confirm. Right after you do that, you have successfully renamed a wallet on Jupiter Crypto app. Renaming your wallet can help when managing multiple wallets or accounts across different platforms. You can easily organize, improve security, and personalize your wallets by renaming a wallet using the Jupiter Crypto application. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss on another update from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.